Olga, ma'am, stop eating the bread we put out for the birds. Sometimes they're goats. See, Bella's being a goat, and Pooga's being a bird. So we're out here, Mark's out here power washing. Doesn't it starting to look good? Then he kind of made a little sprinkler for the girls, but he's busy. He's busy back there painting the barn. I call it the barn. But yep, there's my goat. There's my bird. And there's Mark. That looks looking good. And there's Marconi's. And then the bells. And then this is supposed to be a sweet cherry pepper. So just gorgeous broccoli. I've got to think I might have let it grow too long. Okay, where's my bird? There's my bird. There's my goat.